Okay, so very quick, 2 minutes. I have some very good advice for how to use Twitter effectively. Okay, there are two numbers you need to pay attention to. These are not numbers that Twitter gives you. So let me walk you through it because these numbers are going to have a very strong long-term effect on your growth. So in order for you to pick up a follower on Twitter, two things need to happen. The first is the tweet generates an impression, and then when someone sees your tweet, your name and your handle and your profile picture, that sort of package all together, if that is intriguing enough, then someone will click through to your profile, conversion point one. Once on your profile, is your bio relevant to them? Are they generally sort of vibing with your page? Is their market message match? If there is, conversion point two, you've got a follower. So that's what's happening. Now, Twitter doesn't give you these numbers, but let me demonstrate in numerical terms the effect this can have on your follower growth. So, over the course of a month, let's say you generate 100,000 impressions. If you convert 5% of those to profile views, then you have 5,000 people on your profile. And if you convert 5% of them to followers, then you have 250 new followers. Times 12 over the course of a year, that's 3,000 new followers. But let's say you're converting not at 5%, at 2%. 2% of 100,000 is 2,000. 2% of 2,000 is 40 times 12, 480 over the course of the year. So this is a big difference. Difference between 480 and 3,000 for exactly the same amount of tweeting effort. That's why you need to pay attention to these numbers, okay? So what I recommend is you go and calculate them and then tweak, iterate, and optimize towards this 5% range because that's where I've managed to get to, and you know it feels like good growth for my efforts, for the impressions that I'm generating. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. Put any questions you have in the comments below, and I apologize for the amateur setup on this video, but maybe if I do more of these, I will up the production quality. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck.